In this video, you are going to see how to change the fill color of a table in Microsoft Word document. We will also learn how to change the border color of a table. So let's get started. To change the fill color of a cell, just let us select the cell or select the total row. Then go to Home, go to this option Shading and choose the color of your choice. And you can select the text and you can change the font color from here very easily. If you want to change the table color, select the table by click on over here. Click on right button, go to Table Properties, go to Border and Shading, and under the color option choose the color of your choice. Let us choose this color. You can increase or decrease the thickness of the table border, and here you will see the preview. Let me click on OK and click on OK, and this is the final output. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.